So we're gonna try and actually make a cup of Earl Grey with our Nespresso Compatible Tea Capsules. And I'm gonna make it with milk, so latte essentially. But different thing that I'm gonna try today is I actually did a cold brew of an Earl Grey milk. I steeped the tea leaves of Earl Grey overnight in this bottle, and we're just gonna froth it up with the Nespresso milk frother as well. So we've never tried this before, but we'll see how it goes. So it comes in a set for the Nespresso machine that I got, and we're just gonna pour some in there right now. So let's see. Okay. So it's actually just, if you can see, I've just poured it to the first line in the machine, and we'll see how that goes. Not sure if you can see this. It's actually whirling very quietly right now. So we'll get that going, and in the meantime I am just going to brew up the teapot. So it's teapots come in this white color. It is actually 100% compostable capsules, and then I'm just gonna pop into my machine, press it down, and I'm just gonna do the short, the small cup, espresso cup, yeah. And here we go. So our tea capsules actually come in 3 flavors. We have them in the Earl Grey, the peach green, the chamomile, lavender, and it also comes in an assorted blend. So I am actually going to pull up another short. And as you can see, you can actually pull out 2 or 3 short with the same capsule. It's really preference of your intensity. And I think that's enough. So I'm just gonna pop it open. And just nice, we have the milk ready as well. Just get rid of this. Okay. It is thick and foamy. I'm going to show you. You can see that's quite foamy here, right? Just going to pour it into the cup right now, slowly. Not sure if you can see it. There you have it. A very simple Earl Grey latte with your machine at home. I'm just going to show you the capsule. This actually just pokes through like your normal coffee capsule, so it's good. It's clean, it just comes out normal. If you want to brew up your coffee, just go ahead with the next capsule. But if you want to clean up, if you're afraid the flavors will mix, just go on ahead and flush it out with your with a round of water without any capsule in it. And there we have a cup of homemade Earl Grey latte.